Just want to show you how you can use overpayments function in Xero to manage your payments and invoices. So from your home screen, we're going to go to the settings, and then you're going to go to integrations, set up your accounting. So depending on if you've done all companies or individual, once you get to Xero, what we want to make sure is that the accounting setup is set up to this fourth option here, use overpayments, where a draft invoice is generating quote conversion to order in Quoterite. So once you've done that, let's convert a job. So here's a quote I prepared earlier. So we're going to convert this over. So what this is doing, it's taking it over to the workflow, but at the same time, in your Xero account, you're going to see that invoice pop up as a draft. So if we go into Xero and we go to invoices, then you'll see under draft invoices, oh well, it's listed there as well, but you can see under draft invoices there's 14127. So let's take a payment against that now. What it's going to do, it's going to not record it against the invoice, but it's going to record it as an overpayment. So let's say they're paying the deposit today. So once this is processed into Xero, like that, if I refresh this, you'll see there's still a draft invoice for 14127. But what you'll see under awaiting payment is an overpayment for that invoice of 409558. So let's fast forward, let's pretend you finished the job now. Um, so that will also be recorded as an overpayment inside Xero. So when we go back here, under awaiting payment, you see you've got these two payments. So now, on the date that you want to recognize their revenue is when we're going to open up this invoice in draft. And up the top right, we're going to approve it. And then it's going to ask you, it's going to say, by the way, do you want to apply these credits? And so we're going to say yes. And just apply it as required. And that's now paid. Now, if you wanted to, you could have changed the issue date before you did that as well. So, for example, here. So see here, you can change the issue date to whatever you need it to be. So I hope that helps you out.